Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. はい、on your four. So, make sure to keep your knee bent and then tuck your toes. Okay, so extend the other leg to the side. So, I'm gonna show you from front. Okay, from tabletop pose, extend the right leg to the right. Okay, so now bring my right toward the center, more toward the center, and bring your left toward the sky and twist. So let's do 5 deep breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now this hand go under the armpit and reach to your right. And head rest on the mat. Right arm wrap around your back. Okay? Here, 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And release. So now, left arm on the elbow. Okay? And right arm extend to the right. Forehead or your head rest on the mat. 1, 2. Use exhale to bring your left armpit. So I'm gonna show you from side. Left armpit down close to the mat. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale as you exhale, release. And let's do the other side. Because now from tabletop pose. Okay, from tabletop pose. This time extend your left. Okay. And bring your left around the center. And inhale, exhale, right arm to the sky, twist, chest open to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now thread through your arm, wrap around your behind, head rest on the mat. Cultivate Ujjayi Pranayama. And breathing for 1. Breathing for 2. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale as you exhale. Back to center. Now, right elbow bend. And left stretch out. Use exhale to bring your right armpit close to the mat. Two, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly go back to center. So now, sit down, bend both knees, creating almost a letter of S. Inhale, exhale, open from your belly button to the top, open to the right. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, soften your chest, soften your shoulders. Drop your shoulders down away from ears. Shoulder blades together, widen your collarbones. Chest open, lifting up your sternum. Inhale as you exhale, back to center. Okay, now switch. Inhale, lengthen your spine, crown reaching to the sky. Exhale, twist. Lifting up your sternum, widen your collarbones. And breathing for 1. Drop your shoulders down. Breathing for 2. Soften your chest. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, exhale, center. So now, hook right leg over left side or above knee. And flex your left toes. Okay, sitting bone down on the mat. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. And try to grab your ankle or calf, or maybe reaching to your toes. Try to feel the stretch on the back of your leg, as well as right glute. And inhale, halfway, exhale, all the way up. Now, other side, left hook over your right. Keep right foot, right toes flexed. And inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, soften your chest. And breathing for 1. Feeling stretch on the glute and the back of your leg. 2. Lengthen your spine. Exhale to relax. Breathing for 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, halfway, exhale, release. Now lay down on your back. Hug left knee to the chest. Now, right leg, right flex and thrusting your heel toward the sky. So inhale, exhale, both toes flexed. Inhale and exhale, press your knee to the chest and thrust your heel out toward the sky. Let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1. Broad your shoulders and press it down to the mat. Inhale, exhale for 2. Crown reaching forward to extend your neck, create space between each cervical vertebra. 3. Tailbone connecting down to the mat. 4. Collarbone wide. And 5. Inhale, relax. Shake, 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 shake. Now, opposite side. Right knee squeeze down to the chest. Left knee stretch. Heel reaching out toward the sky. And inhale as you exhale, squeeze your knee to the chest. Push your heel up toward the sky. 2. Crown reaching that direction, create space on your neck. 3. Wide shoulders and down. 4. And 5. And release. Again, bounce, bounce. Inhale, exhale. Stretch your legs, arms. Take final pose of Shavasana. Inhale. And open your mouth side out. Exhale, let it go. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!